Redmi has officially confirmed that the K100 Pro series will debut on August 11th. Redmi will introduce the K100 Pro and K100 Pro Max first, while the standard K100 will arrive at a later date. And this is the real-life hands-on and compare with K90 Pro Max. The overall design looks similar to the Redmi K90 Pro Max with a triple camera setup inside an island configuration. The Redmi K100 Pro series is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset alongside up to 16GB RAM. The series will be available in 6.59-inch and 6.9-inch display options, both featuring 185Hz flat panels with a super pixel solution that promises 1K level power consumption while delivering 2K light clarity. The Redmi K100 Pro Max is said to employ a new 200MP main camera, as well as a 50MP periscope telephoto camera that will be upgraded from its predecessor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens. The K100 Pro Max will allegedly have a battery with a capacity of at least 9,000 mAh, with support for 100W wired charging, 50W wireless charging. Globally, the Redmi K100 Pro and Pro Max are expected to get rebranded as Poco F9 Pro and F9 Ultra. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.